Have you ever wondered why the world around us is changing at such a rapid pace? It's an environmental quandary we're facing, with four major culprits at play. First, we have climate change, altering weather patterns and increasing global temperatures. Then, there's the loss of biodiversity, as species disappear at an alarming rate. We're also grappling with pollution, contaminating our air, land, and water. Lastly, water scarcity looms as fresh, clean water becomes increasingly scarce. These issues are not insurmountable, but they require our immediate attention. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's happening right now. Our planet is warming at an alarming rate, largely due to human activities. The burning of fossil fuels releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, creating a blanket of gas that traps heat and causes global temperatures to rise. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is driving changes in our climate that lead to extreme weather events, sea level rise, and loss of biodiversity. But there is hope. We can combat climate change by reducing our greenhouse gas emissions. This can be achieved by transitioning to renewable sources of energy like wind and solar, and by promoting sustainable practices such as recycling and conservation. We must also strive to create and enforce policies that limit emissions and encourage green technologies. In the fight against climate change, every little step counts. Our collective actions can make a big difference in preserving our planet for future generations. Can you imagine a world without the delightful chirping of birds or the rustling of leaves? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? This is the stark reality we face with the loss of biodiversity. Every critter, every leaf, every organism plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Each extinction is like cutting a thread from that web, destabilizing it and risking its collapse. The impacts of such loss are profound. It disrupts ecosystems, making them less resilient to changes, and reducing their ability to provide us with vital services like clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil. But all is not lost. We have solutions at our disposal. Habitat conservation can protect species in their natural environments. Sustainable farming practices can reduce our impact on these habitats. Encouraging the growth of native species can help restore balance in our ecosystems. Preserving biodiversity is not just about saving animals and plants, it's about ensuring a future for us all. Oh, what if the air we breathe and the water we drink becomes our enemy? A chilling thought, isn't it? But it's a reality we're increasingly facing due to pollution, a man-made disaster we've all had a hand in creating. Pollution comes in various guises. Air pollution, for instance, is caused by industrial emissions and vehicle exhaust, which fill our skies with harmful substances. This not only affects our health, but also contributes to climate change. Water pollution, on the other hand, is driven by the reckless disposal of waste into our oceans and rivers, endangering marine life and contaminating our water supply. However, we can turn the tide. We can start by managing our waste better, recycling whenever we can, and reducing our use of plastic products that take hundreds of years to decompose. By adopting these simple practices, we can significantly reduce pollution and its devastating effects. Remember this: a clean environment starts with clean habits. Let's start today, and let's start with ourselves. What if one day you turn on your tap and nothing comes out? This isn't a hypothetical for many around the globe, it's reality. Water scarcity is a pressing issue we face today, caused by a combination of climate change, overuse, and pollution. Our planet's thirst is our thirst. A scarcity of water leads to a scarcity of life. Crops fail, ecosystems collapse, and communities suffer. But there's hope. We can quench the Earth's thirst through mindful water usage and innovative solutions. Water conservation is key. Simple actions like fixing leaks, using less water while brushing teeth, or taking shorter showers can make a big difference. Rainwater harvesting is another effective solution. It's as simple as collecting and storing rainwater for later use. Wastewater treatment and reuse also offer a sustainable solution. Treating and reusing water reduces demand on freshwater resources and helps protect our environment. Water is life. Let's make every drop count. Now that we've understood the problems, it's time to act. We've explored the challenges of climate change, the crisis of biodiversity loss, the dire effects of pollution, and the impending water scarcity. We've also highlighted ways to overcome these issues, from reducing carbon footprints to preserving habitats, minimizing waste, and conserving water. every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Let's each play our part in this global effort. Remember, the Earth doesn't need us, we need the Earth.